Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? Let's dive deep into SOXL and provide you with a detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 22, 2024. Today, we'll go even further to give you the information you need. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4. Visit StockInvest.us to tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has ranked the stock SOXL as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has surpassed our expectations, delivering a gain of 24.02% since our initial recommendation to buy SOXL 10 days ago. This means an average daily return of 2.4% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. This ETF is currently in an upward trend, offering a potential opportunity for short-term traders. However, it's important to note that the price may soon retrace towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye on a possible breakout above the top trend line at $36.80, as it could indicate a stronger upward movement. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential for an 85.38% change in the next 3 months. This suggests a return between 50.55% and 93.45%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 50.56% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -27.05% to 45.00%. This translates to a price range of $25.72 to $51.13 after 12 months. Our latest update for SOXL reveals a positive development. SOXL ETF sees a green day on Monday, with a 1.15% gain. On Monday, the 22nd of January 2024, the SOXL ETF price increased by 1.15%, rising from $34.86 to $35.26. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe if the upward momentum can be sustained or if a brief pause awaits us in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced a 6.87% fluctuation, ranging from a low of $34.22 to a high of $36.57. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has grown by an impressive 35.98% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 18 million shares on the last day, with a total of 73 million shares being exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.57 billion. It's worth noting that a decline in volume accompanied by higher prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the near future. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price observed for the ETF was $36.57, while the lowest price was $12.52. Presently, the price is 3.58% or $1.31 lower than the 52-week high and 90.68% or $342.98 lower than the all-time high on November 26, 2020, when it reached $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for the SOXL ETF. The SOXL ETF is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, there will be support from the lines at $30.78 and $28.12. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 37.84%. It is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. It is important to note that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning and should be closely watched. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals issued as well, which may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 27 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 50 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signals a buy 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy 47 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss levels for SOXL. Let's start with the downside. Currently, the ETF has support just below today's level at $31.19 and $28.43. Support levels are important because they indicate a price where buying pressure might increase. However, there is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $31.19 is broken, the next support levels to watch out for are at $28.43 and $28.10. It's important to note that SOXL is considered to be a high-risk ETF due to its volatility. This means that it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band, which measures volatility, indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. Let's look at some numbers. In the last day, the ETF moved $2.35 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 6.87% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 7.03%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOXL. Looking at the accumulated volume, we notice that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it would be wise to enter a position and use volume as a guide for determining when to exit. On the downside, the first support level for SOXL is at $31.19. If this level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop-loss for this ETF at $34.10, which is a decrease of 3.28%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily fluctuations, making it a high-risk investment. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 11 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? While the SOXL ETF does show some positive signals, we believe it may be more suitable as a hold candidate at the current level. It's worth considering accumulating or holding this position and waiting for further development. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 23rd, we anticipate SOXL to open up $0.0898 and begin trading at $35.35. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.